Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, I'm Robert Christian with the Robert Christian Show, folks. We are live weekdays at 3 p.m. Pacific Time at robertchristianshow.com. That's 5 p.m. Central, 6 p.m. Eastern. For those of you that would like to be able to follow us, folks, on Facebook, you can follow us at Robert Christian Show on Facebook, on Twitter at News Talk 2. Looking at some of the news items, folks, that is making its way and its rounds through the news. A blizzard alert for the Northeast. Snowstorm could be among the worst of all time. They are expecting as far north as Maine, the state of Maine, of having 2+ feet of snow and one actual snow dump, right? One major event. Buffalo, New York is expected between 6 and 12 inches of snow. And the New York City area, from what I understand, between 6 and about 8 inches of snow for New York City. Meanwhile, folks, looking at the news, making its rounds, 3 dead as police officers have been targeted. A manhunt spreads across Los Angeles, California. Wow. The 787 or the 7E7 Dreamliner jet is now back in the air, at least for one flight, as they are testing the batteries on these flights. Governor Chris Christie calls out the ex-White House doctor. Really? Wow. Maybe we'll get into to that story, if that can be arranged. Maybe. Iran will, they say that we have decoded drone footage. And Iran footage also has been posted on YouTube, of all places. Wow. Acapulco. Rape cases are an ugly reminder of what's going on in Acapulco, and yet the police department in Acapulco says we know who you are. Isn't that something? Talking about those who committed those crimes. A father apparently pays his teenager $200 to quit Facebook. Would you quit Facebook if somebody paid you $200? You know what? There are people that would say, hey, I've quit Facebook anyway. I no longer am using Twitter, and you didn't have to pay me to do it. Really? That, of course, is making its news as well. Shoes hurled at the Iran president. Oh boy. Here we go all over again. Pineda testifies on the Benghazi attacks, and a lot of people are saying, yeah, right. The politics of military pay. What do you all think of it? I'm looking at some of the other news items. It says D.C. jobs are in danger from the budget cuts. Oh boy, bring your baby to work every day. Would you actually do that? Some people say yes, some people say no, I'd rather have a babysitter do it. Folks, today on the Robert Christian Show, we are going to be talking, folks, today about pushing forward against the grain. Folks, maybe you or one of those individuals that feel, guess what, no matter what that I do in life, no matter what I do, I have to push against the grain. And nothing in life, we've all heard the expression, nothing in life is easy. But yet, pushing forward against the grain, against maybe what popular demand is, and or saying, you know what, we've got to push against the grain, we've got to keep going against the grain and swim cross-stream rather than downstream, right? And what does that actually mean? Now, some of you will probably say, you know, maybe that would be a good show idea. Well, actually it is. Because, folks, in all of our lives, we all push against the grain of one type or another. But does it make us a weaker person for doing it, or does it make us stronger as we appreciate the results even better? What do you think? Hey, folks, tomorrow being Friday, our plan was to bring back Occupy News to the stream. However, once again, folks, this is the day on this issue. There have been a lot of folks that have said, well, I can't say a lot, but there have been some that have said, yes, bring it back. But folks, numbers are everything. And so for those who have never watched the Robert Christian Show, folks, again, we invite you to do so. I like good dialogue. I really do. Hey, I like to have fun, folks, with what I'm doing. I like to have fun on the show and look at the world of politics for what it is. I know that some people are very upset, and potentially for good reason, as to the world of politics. But you know what? There is more to news. There's more to a talk show than just talking about the politics of things. And today is going to be a really good example of that. So we're going to be talking today, again, about pushing forward against the grain. And what happens when you do that. Folks, that today and more on the Robert Christian Show. Folks, you can visit us on the web. Watch the stream right there. As well as it's embedded on the webpage, robertchristianshow.com. There you have it. Click on the live tab. Get a username, folks. It is free. Get a username, right? And start chatting with other people just like you. Folks, this upcoming Monday, we are scheduled and planning on having a good interview with a nonprofit corporation. And I am not going to just yet go into a whole lot of detail about it, other than to say it is a fantastic program, fantastic nonprofit, and they are reaching out to us, so we're reaching back. Folks, that and more on the Robert Christian Show. Don't forget today, 3 p.m., and we will see you then.